Hello, my name is Ian Smith. I am a PhD student at the University of Maryland and a proud fellow of the International Foundation of Ethical Research. I'm currently a PhD student in Dr. Stroka's lab, and my thesis focuses on understanding how cues from the tumor microenvironment influence cancer progression and spreading throughout the body. I wanted to start by saying thank you so much for your funding. It has helped me develop a device called the Spheroid-Associated Angiogenic Vascularization System, or the SAVS for short. The SAVS allows us to visualize interactions between a tumor spheroid and an endothelial vessel to understand how these two might interact with each other in a tumor inside of a person. This is important in terms of in vivo models because it allows us to, one, observe interactions that we wouldn't normally be able to at a subcellular level, because with in vivo systems you can't get that high imaging resolution. Two, it also allows for the high throughput screening of drugs that could be conducted in parallel with in vivo models to help reduce the amount of animals needed to identify targeted therapeutics. So with this, we have designed and fabricated the system, but more recently, this last year, we have ensured that the system is creating and mimicking cellular phenomena that would occur in vivo. So we have ensured that the cells are invading like they should, that we can modulate these by overexpressing certain proteins, and that we can inhibit this phenomena with the presence of chemotherapies. So with that exciting data, we decided to reach out to our university's patent office, where we just recently, last month, filed a 46-page provisional patent in addition to an invention disclosure for the SAVS. This is exciting, and the university is also incredibly excited for this. So they have actually been reaching out to private companies to try to get this SAVS as a device that could be used and implemented throughout the world. So now that we have this validated device that might soon become a product that people could buy, I wanted to start to use the device to learn more about cancer research. So I'm specifically looking at intravasation, so how cancer cells get into the endothelial vessel. That way they can spread throughout the body. In understanding this, we can potentially identify signaling cascades or mechanisms that the cancer cells are using to counteract them or inhibit them with chemotherapies that haven't been used before. So with that, we have the design, fabrication, validation, and hopefully understanding something new about cancer. That work will culminate into a publication which I hope to have sent out by next April, which is amazing. Very excited for that. In addition to that, I have presented the work at this year's Biomedical Engineering Society annual conference, where I was able to get a lot of feedback of potential experiments to run and a few collaborations that might actually help to improve the relevance of the device. I also hope to apply for the Physical Cancer Board and Research Conference, where I can further share this work and maybe get a little bit more in-depth feedback from people who are experts in the field. So I just wanted to thank you again. None of this would have been possible without your support. So just thank you so much.